Okay. Let's start prepositions of location. Okay, so first we have read that are used to indicate preposition of location are used to indicate the locations or positions of object, whether it is on the table or under the table, beside the table. Okay, so these are all what? These are location of the objects or position of the object that we have placed. For example, you all are sitting on chair, or someone of many of you must be sitting on a bed. So that is your location or your position. Okay, or in front of the laptop, in front of the mobile phone. These are all what? Preposition, location. And what do prepositions do? They indicate your location or location of objects. So see, example: on, in, under, in front of, among, between, and against. These are all location, prepositions of location. Okay, next. Now see examples on. First example of on. Anyone who wants to narrate the example? What you see?
Me. Ma'am,
Okay,
me.
yes.
A rabbit is sitting on a chair.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Oh,
the
yes.
rabbit is sitting on the relaxed chair.
Okay, very good. The rabbit
Ma'am,
is sitting on a chair.
ma'am, me.
Okay. Okay, next one, Ronan, you tell me, okay?
It's a relaxed chair. Ma'am, you watch it on the table.
No, I am asking that I am asking the example that you are seeing on the screen. Okay, now very nice. The cat, yes, Ayan, very good. The cat is sitting in the box. Okay, or you can say the cat is in the box. Okay, next. See the example between. Yes, Sanib, you want to tell me, or Abhinav, you want to tell me? Yes, Sanib.
You can't see.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Abhinav.
Okay, Abhinav.
A
No need to tell me your name. I know,
Ma'am, you
I can
click here.
see.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abhinav.
the biggest dog is sitting in the between. In between, I mean.
Okay. Okay. The biggest dog is sitting between what? That also you have to mention. Okay.
Between two small dogs.
Yes. Or you can say the mother dog is sitting between two puppies. Okay. Okay. Next. Let's see. Okay. Now, Ayan, can you tell me? Dia, wait. Okay. Wait. Wait, Sanib. Next one, Sanib will tell me, and last
Ma'am,
one, Dia will tell.
ma'am,
Okay. Ayan, yes.
the the cat is sitting under the table.
Very good. The cat is sitting under the table. Okay, next. Let Dia answer this. Yes, Dia.
Uh, the fox is.
Dia, I said Dia will answer.
Ma'am, I don't know this question.
Okay, what can you see in the picture? What is the cat doing?
Cat is the.
Hitting what?
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Bhavishya.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
The current cover. Is hitting his head against the pillar.
Very good. The cat is hitting her head or his head against the pillar. Okay, now everyone knows what do you mean by against? What is the meaning of against? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
let us. Okay, I'll tell you in the next slide. Okay, last one, Sanib. What do you see here, Sanib?
The TV is in front of that person or
Okay,
the girl.
or we can say the girl child is sitting in front of the TV. Okay?
Ma'am,
Oh, yes, Ayan.
ma'am, the girl is sitting
Hmm.
in the front of TV.
In front of the TV. Okay, okay,
Yes,
very good, everyone. Very good. Okay, now let's see. I told you nobody knows what is the meaning of against. So let's start. Okay, I'll show you.
I know.
Okay, those who know, very good. And those who
Ma'am,
know,
can
don't know.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I tell
now,
you in Hindi?
yes, you can. Okay, everyone listen carefully to Bhavishya. He's telling you the meaning of against. Yes, Bhavishya. Bhavishya, unmute yourself
Anna.
first. Yes, Bhavishya.
I am against the mobile. No, he is against me because I am the enemy of he. मतलब that boy.
Okay, I said give me the meaning, not the example.
Ma'am,
No.
Darshini.
Yes, Darshini. Yes, Darshini.
मैम लड़ना मतलब झगड़ा करना.
Okay, against basically means, okay, there are two types. Okay, we use against in two types. One, Bhavishya told us that to be enemy of someone. Okay, that I am against that decision means I am opposite. Okay, that means basically opposite. So, and the other against, that is
Problem or difficulty.
means next to and touching on upright surface for support. Okay, for example, for example, we saw here the cat was hitting his head against the wall. You can see the cat is standing opposite, but still what he is doing, he is touching the pillar. Everyone can see here?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is what is the meaning of against. That means either when you are standing next to it, opposite to it, but you are touching that surface. So that is the meaning of against. Okay, so means next to and touching on upright surface for support. Okay, so let's see example. The boy is leaning against the wall. Okay, when you take support of the wall, that means you are leaning against it. Okay, when you stand and you take the support of the wall, so that is leaning against the wall. Next, I am leaning against the whiteboard. Don't lean against the wall, it's just been painted. Okay, so that basically means don't touch or take support of the wall because it has just been painted. So that is the meaning of against. Okay, now everyone is clear what do you mean by against?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Let's move forward. Okay, now we'll do a small activity. Okay. Okay, wait. So I'll be asking you questions and I'll match those questions with your answers. Clear, everyone? Okay, yes. Okay, first one is for Abhinav. Okay, Abhinav, this is your question. The violet ball is dash the yellow ball. You can see the position here of both the
Yes,
balls.
ma'am.
Okay, now
Ma'am.
tell me the answer. These are your options. These are your options.
Ma'am, next to.
Okay, let me see. Next to. Let me match it then. Wrong. Okay, next.
Ma'am, can I?
No, Bhavishya, wait. Okay, the
Ma'am,
question
below.
is pass. Let me pass the question to Ayan. Okay. Yes, Ayan. The violet
Below,
ball
ma'am.
is dash the
Below.
yellow ball. Below.
Ma'am,
Okay, let
below.
me see. Wrong. Okay, now Bhavishya can answer.
Ma'am, above.
Above. Okay, let me see. Yes, very good. So the violet ball was above the yellow ball. Okay, next, Thanib. The rabbit is dash the box.
Ma'am, can
No, can I?
in
When I
front of.
okay, I will call your name, then only answer. Okay, let me see. Wrong. Okay, now Dia can answer. The rabbit
Under.
is nobody will
Ma'am,
speak in
next.
between. Nobody will speak in between. When I'll call your name, then only you will speak.
Ma'am, next to.
Okay, let me see. The rabbit is next to the box. Very good. Okay, next, Darshini. The ball is dash the shelf.
Below the chair.
Below the shelf. Okay, let me see. Wrong, Darshini. Okay, now
Ma'am,
Bhavishya.
shelf.
No, one at a time, Darshini. Okay. Now next. Bhavishya can answer now. Yes, Bhavishya. The ball is dash the shelf.
Under the shelf.
Under. Okay, let me see. Wrong, Bhavishya. Okay, Ayan.
Ma'am, in front of.
In front of. Okay.
Ma'am, can
Ronan.
Abhinav answer?
Wait, Abhinav. Okay, very good, Ayan. The ball is in front of the shelf. Okay. Ronan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you leaving the class again and again?
No, ma'am, I'm not leaving the.
But you are not saying yes, ma'am, or no, ma'am, when I call your name. Okay, yes, Ronan.
Ma'am, because it on. With it on, hard you are off, ma'am.
No, okay. Now answer this. The sign is dash of the bushes.
What, ma'am?
You have to answer this question. You can see the
Ma'am, I can't understand the question.
You have to, ma'am. You can see these are the options given to you. The options in the small box. These are your options. Okay. This is your question. The sign is dash of the bushes. You have to tell me the position of the signboard. What do you see? The sign is dash of the bushes.
Front of the butchers.
Okay, let me see. You said in front of the bushes. Okay, very nice, Ronan. Okay, next, Abhinav. The ball is dash the shelf.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
the ball is below.
Okay, the ball is below the shelf. Very good. Okay,
Can-
now Ayan, yes.
Ma'am,
Ball
under.
is under the table. One is clear. We have studied preposition of location. Okay, so everyone is clear about preposition of location?